Welcome guys, welcome to my Leetcode solving section. So this 1544 make a string great. Okay, so this problem says that a good string is a string which doesn't have two adjacent character, such that okay, so these two adjacent character has a property that if si is lowercase and s approximately same letter but uppercase or vice versa. Okay, so to make a string great, you just need to delete the two adjacent characters that make a string bad and remove them. Okay, so for example, if you see the small e and the large e, and in this Leetcode, you just remove this small e and large e. Okay, because this small e and large e, these two characters satisfy this property. So every time you see two characters, say two adjacent characters satisfy these two properties, then you just need to remove it. Okay, so in this case that this a is okay, but this b and this small b and large b are bad. So if you delete, then you will get this, right? But this small a and the large a are still bad, and you delete it and you get nothing. Okay. So this problem can be using a list or a stack. Okay, so basically stack, right? So you just first append stack. So if your stack is larger than 2, then that means you need to see where you have this property. So this is the final one. Okay, so this is the last one and the second last one. So the property says that if I denoted this x means that if this property is satisfied or not. So one possible case is that the stack, the last one to a lowercase, is the same as the second last one. So that means, for example, if this is the larger e, then to lowercase is the small e. Will be if this is the same, then satisfies this property, or also vice versa. But there's an exceptional case. So if x is true, there's an exceptional case is that the stack, the last one and the second last one cannot be the same. Right, so we only delete the string which has the one lower or one upper, or the one upper, one lower. We did not delete we did not delete the same thing, right? So if I find something, some object which is like the same, then we pop twice, right? Because we delete these two, we pop twice. Then we do the stack, okay, and then we keep stacking. And the final, we have a stack, right? We just join all these stack to form the character, to form the string, Okay, that's it. Let me see the submit. Okay, I will see you guys in the next videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.